Welcome back to our channel for busy people who want to stay fit during their hectic schedules. Today we have 5-minute workout tips that you can easily incorporate into your day. No more excuses. You can do these exercises anywhere, anytime. Let's get started. Start with a quick warm-up to get your heart rate up and muscles warmed up. Jumping jacks are a great way to get your blood flowing and increase your energy levels. Next, try some bodyweight squats to target your lower body and build strength. Push-ups are a fantastic way to work your upper body and core without any equipment needed. Don't forget to focus on your form and breathe through each movement. Lunges are perfect for working your legs and glutes while improving your balance. High knees or running in place will elevate your heart rate for a quick cardiovascular boost. Finish your workout with a plank to strengthen your core and improve your posture. Remember, consistency is key. Even short workouts can make a difference in your overall health. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips.